Hey everyone, and welcome to the course. My name is Daniel Buckley, and I'll be your instructor. In this course, we are going to be creating an arcade plane controller minigame where we are going to have a plane, we're going to be able to fly it around, and then go through hoops in order to increase our score. So let's look at the things that we're going to create. First of all, we are going to be setting up a plane controller, which is going to have the ability to accelerate. We're going to be able to control the throttle. We'll be able to pitch, roll, and yaw. And we'll be setting up these inputs as well, so you can change which keys you want to have. We can change how quickly we turn, how quickly we accelerate. So it'll be very customizable in that way. Then we're going to be setting up the ability to have rings that we can fly through. Okay, and these rings are then going to explode and then eventually add to our score, which we are going to display with some text at the top left corner of the screen. Zenva is an online learning academy with over 1 million students. We feature a wide range of courses for people who are just starting out or for people who just want to learn something new. The courses are also very versatile, allowing you to learn in really whatever way you want. You can choose to view the online video tutorials, read the included lesson summaries, or follow along with the instructor with the included course files. Now let's get started with the first lesson.